I'm Jonathan Smith, and today I'd like to go over our PowerPro Extreme 12 starter motor. Our PowerPro Extreme 12 is a 24 volt, 12 kilowatt gear reduced starter designed to replace 50 MTs in the marketplace. This starter has a robust armature design. It has soft start relay, integrated mag switch that controls the soft start. The nose is fully sealed to keep out water, contaminants. It's actually sealed enough for mining application to keep all those fine dirt and contaminants out of the front of the starter. And it has a rotatable mag switch, which allows for one starter to cover many competitors' products. This starter can also be equipped with the optional iRelay feature, which can be programmed to meet OEM requirements for excessive cranking, undervoltage cranking, and pinion and gear tooth abutments. There are many flange and pinion combinations that can be ordered and tailored to your needs. Here you'll have our popular interchange information. Our most up-to-date cross-reference information is on our e-catalog. This starter is designed to perform every day. It's a gear-reduced replacement for the popular 50 MT for diesel engines up to 40 liters in single starter applications and up to 80 liters in dual starter applications. It's a high torque, high efficiency starter that can be on Case, Cummins, Caterpillar, Hitachi, John Deere, Komatsu, MTU, and many other applications. Here you'll see a cutaway of our PowerPro Extreme 12 starter. In the front, you'll see a rotatable flange design that allows you to use one starter for multiple applications. You'll also see there's an O-ring seal on the outside and then extra sealing on the inside. That is to keep dirt and contaminants out of the front of the starter, especially if you're using this in a mining application. That dirt and contaminants can be very fine. On top, you'll see the soft start system with an integrated mag switch. The solenoid is also fully sealed. We also have longer brushes. There's 4 one-piece brushes. And this starter has an insulated ground terminal. So this starter has isolated ground technology as opposed to other starters that are case ground. Our PowerPro Extreme 12 starter motors can also be equipped with iRelay technology, which is an OEM customizable protection that covers low voltage cranking, overcranking, and pinion and gear abutments. This is very programmable and can be designed with different connections and different customer specific requirements for protection. Also, this starter with iRelay can be programmed to synchronize multiple starters on one engine. So the standard PowerPro Extreme 12 starter can be used 1 with a 40 liter engine or 2 with 80 liter. Once you get past that, you can use iRelay to program 3 starters on a 120 liter engine or 4 starters on a 160 liter engine with a synchronized start to maximize starting performance. The PowerPro Extreme 12 starter motor can be used in a wide variety of applications, including construction, mining, military, and agriculture. And since the PowerPro Extreme only weighs 36 pounds, as a replacement in the field, it can be done by one person. The 50 MT, when it's replaced in the field, it has to be a 2-person operation, which increases labor and time and cost for field replacement. Please feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions. Thanks for tuning in today. Please stay tuned for more battery-saving, innovative technology from Leece-Neville.